This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable soup containers, specifically these Asporto round clear plastic soup containers, or deli containers. But whatever you want to call them, they are super useful for food storage and preparation. You can use them for both hot or cold items. They're made from a plastic that is BPA free. It can be both reused if you want to wash them out and use them again, or recycled, which is fantastic. And the lids all come with them, right? So one thing I love about these is that when you order the bottoms, you're going to get the lids with them, but that the lids are kind of also universal for these, so you can use the lids on any of the sizes, meaning I keep a big stack of lids and a variety of sizes of containers, and I never have to worry about grabbing the right one. The lids are also made from a thicker, slightly more flexible plastic that's going to resist cracking along the edges, meaning that if you want to reuse these, you're going to get some life out of them. They have several different sizes. There's the 8-ounce, which I love to use for things like sauces, condiments, or small sides. The 12-ounce, which I think is perfect for small side dishes or other portions, so think mac and cheese, coleslaw, other kinds of deli sides and things you might get. And then we also have the 16, which is a pint, your 24, and lastly, the 32, so a full quart, meaning that you have kind of small, medium, and large options for various dishes. So these are going to be great containers if you're looking to do takeout, right? And you want to pack up a variety of different dishes and other items. So that way, if you need to pack up different portion sides, and sauces to go along with them, you have a variety of different containers that you can use that are going to be perfect for your needs and lids that'll fit them all. They can be put in the refrigerator and the freezer, and the bottoms can be microwaved. Important note, the lids should not be. This makes them great for food storage if you need to put some stuff into the freezer for a while, if you're just looking to store your leftovers in the fridge, or if you're looking to do some meal prep, whether it's prepping ingredients to go in salads so that it's a quick weeknight dinner, or if you're looking to do some real meal prep where you're prepping meals ahead of time and having everything ready to go for the week. These can be great versatile containers to add into that. They're also great for food service professionals just because they come in a wide variety of sizes. They're great for takeout because they have these nice tight-fitting lids, so especially if you have things like liquids, say soups, or side dishes that are tossed in dressings, or other kinds of sauces that might leak into bags or other containers. These are a nice little option for home use and also in a professional setting.